Today we conduct a press meet on behalf of TTADC. Then first of all, I'm really thankful to Bubagra, then our Honorable CM, Honorable Deputy CM, all EMs and all MDCs for their support and guidance which have made the Tripura Football League successful. And the final match of the league will be played on 15/12/2021, where our former Indian national football team captain Sri Bachchan Bhutia and Bubagra will grace the special occasion. Final match Gumoti versus West June. I invite everyone to come and be part of the exciting match and occasion. Thank you everyone. Barang-barang dia uji Tripura, they sini Sports and Youth Affairs Department ni sini Principal Officer Barang-barang Omar Tidya Burma. Pulano sakle mutamai sini di hapon negeri sini Bubagra belekan hambai omah ke inisiatif kaham nawe sini sikla salerong tidul man bagai te sini Honorable CM, Honorable Deputy CM, te jot to EM, te jot to sini MDC, jot to ni support by sini Tripura Football League success klaiman ka te amoni final match ngai 15 tarik ni duita tampro Khumlung Stadium bo thangjaknai thangnai rok ni bising doli ingkha chini Gumoti district ni team by chini West Zone borok batelene tai third position tangrukha eba thungui kuplai ka third position bagai chini dolai okay jaga wa china special guest ngi phai majak phainai chini Indian football team ni captain former captain Mr. Bachchan Bhutia phai chini pandano masani phainai tai botonai chini Hani Bubagra Maharaja Sri Pradip Vikram Manikko Deborma bobologi tongnai tai jotto chini Tripura Hasen Lukorokno khakham tai jotto chini thungrung eba dolni ni chini players no hani khakham borongni bagai chunti dedi sa hapon ngai khakham yapar horo narok kaham kurungkai practice kelai final match narok tai bonong kurungkuk no phonodi tai first prize tongnai chini kuplai rong 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 1.5 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 ngai opanda phai majal phagai hastini jotto chini thung hamjak tongnai chini jotto lukorong no khabel hamsogo jung TDADC hapang ngai